In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rolling credits in DaVinci Resolve. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app and load the project you want to finish. Make sure your timeline is ready for credits. Play the last few seconds to see what the viewer will be looking at as the names roll. It's a good time to save your project so any title changes are kept. Next, switch to the edit page. This is where you'll assemble and time your credits with the rest of your cut. You'll see your timeline, viewer, and the panels we'll use to build the scroll. Open the effects library, then go to Toolbox, open Titles, and choose the option called Scroll. This is Resolve's built-in rolling title, so you don't have to keyframe movement by hand if you don't immediately see it. Use the search field in the effects library and type Scroll to locate it quickly. Drag the scroll title onto your timeline. You can place it at the very end of the project for credits over black, or stack it on a track above your last video clip if you want the names to roll over picture. Keep an eye on where the playhead is so the credits start exactly when you want them to, and trim any extra gaps for a clean handoff from your final shot. With the scroll clip selected, open the inspector panel. In the text area, type or paste your credits. Use line breaks to separate roles and names, and add blank lines to create section spacing. Keep your entries concise for readability and preview in the viewer as you work to catch typos. Organize sections clearly, such as cast, crew, and special thanks, and keep formatting consistent from line to line. To control how fast the credits move, change the length of the scroll clip on the timeline. Drag the end to make it longer for a slower, smoother roll, or shorten it for a faster exit. Aim for a pace that allows a typical viewer to read comfortably. Longer is usually better, especially for long lists. Now refine the look. In the inspector, adjust the font, color, size, and alignment. Center alignment is classic for film style credits, while left or right justification can match broadcast or corporate templates. Choose high contrast colors so text stands out over your background. Keep names within title safe margins so nothing gets cut off on different displays. If letters feel cramped, increase line spacing or tracking slightly to improve clarity, and maintain consistent capitalization and roll formatting for a polished finish. Play from a few seconds before the credits to confirm timing, spelling, and style. When everything reads well and the speed feels right, your rolling credits are ready to share.